Welcome back, guys. Today we dive deeper into the world of luxury, particularly in the British luxury fashion industry. Why? Burberry recently put the dividend payment on hold and replaced the CEO just after roughly 2 years in the role, with the stock price down almost 52% since the beginning of the year, reaching the lowest level since 2010. What's happening to Burberry? Is it something specific to the brand, or the entire British luxury industry is suffering like never before? Welcome to GB Market Insights. The dividend suspension came together with a profit warning and the CEO's replacement, as the company continues to suffer greatly despite changing 3 CEOs over the last decade. Joshua Schulman has been appointed as the new CEO, who has formerly been the CEO of several brands we know like Coach, Michael Kors, and Jimmy Choo. There are, however, several reasons why Burberry has been struggling that go beyond the general slowdown in some parts of the luxury goods sector. One reason is the company's high dependence on Chinese consumers, way more than its main competitors. Chinese consumer spending has been weak this year, as the Chinese economy continues to weaken, dragged by the slump in the real estate market and the fading demand. Burberry, as a result, is among the luxury retailers experiencing the largest slowdown in sales amid the wider contraction in certain areas of luxury spending. When we look at the numbers, we can see that Burberry's comparable store sales during the most recent quarter were down 21% in mainland China. These numbers go all the way down to -26% in South Korea and -38% in the rest of the South Asia Pacific region. However, the weak market for certain luxury products is not the only reason behind Burberry's collapse. Let's leave the macro impact on the sector and the company on a side for a moment, because we have another extremely important factor behind the Burberry's lost competitiveness. This relates to the strategy pursued by the latest CEO, Mr. Aykroyd himself. He made clear that he wanted to take Burberry upmarket, as well as restore its Britishness as key characteristic of the brand, veering, however, from its roots and raising prices. The company's attempt to reposition itself as a more upmarket brand and emphasize its British heritage has not yielded the desired results. Some of the new designs did not find favor in the market, as they weren't appealing to the traditional Burberry customers. The move away from Burberry's signature camel red and black check print in favor of bolder colors like blue was very poorly received. As a result, Burberry had to rely on heavy discounting, with the market seeing it as a sign of the strategy's failure. One clear evidence of this is that Burberry is currently one of the most shorted stocks in the FTSE 100. This reflects continued skepticism around the outlook for the company and the likelihood of seeing a turnaround anytime soon. Looking at the valuation, at around 10 times earnings, Burberry shares trade at their lowest valuation in roughly 20 years, giving a clear view of how much the company is struggling. More generally, we are seeing several British luxury brands suffering and struggling to remain competitive. And this is not only true within the fashion industry, but we have seen very similar trends in the automotive. We have seen some examples such as Land Rover and Jaguar being sold to Tata, Bentley to Volkswagen, and Rolls-Royce to BMW, which over time managed to strengthen significantly these brands, restoring their appeal. But not always it led to a success story. Aston Martin continues to suffer and lag behind its main competitors, struggling to find profitability, with its stock price down 88% in 5 years. We will release a new video on this topic soon, so stay tuned. So tell me, what do you think about Burberry's fate? Is it a temporary weakness with a high chances of a turnaround? Or is it really the end of the British luxury fashion era? Are there other British luxury brands that are likely to follow the same path? Let us know in the comments below. And if you find the video interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This would help us a lot in continuing this journey together. As usual, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you for watching.